Welcome to NSiteBuilders online training. What is NSiteBuilders? It's an online interface to easily enter, update, and track your monthly competitive shop information. It basically replaces the Excel spreadsheets you may have used in the past. The first thing we're going to learn is how to access NSiteBuilders. First, open a web browser. This tool works in most browsers, but Google Chrome and Internet Explorer are recommended. Simply type NSiteBuilders.com in the address bar and click the Enter key. If you see this screen when you go to NSiteBuilders.com, simply remove the www from the URL and hit the Enter key. Click the Login button located just beneath the NSiteBuilders logo. Enter your company email address and password. Both are case sensitive, so please enter in lowercase. Then click the Submit button. The first time you log in, you will see the user agreement. You must scroll to the bottom of the agreement, click I accept, then click the Submit button. Once you've logged in for the first time, you may want to change your password. To do this, click My Account in the upper right corner. Then click Password. Simply enter your new password twice and click Submit to save. Now that you have saved your new password, click the SC dashboard. If data has not been entered, your SC dashboard will display a box with 3 question marks. There are 3 things you need to know about the SC dashboard. Number 1, you can select any community you see in the box to the left of the graph. 2, you can select any month by dragging the timeline back and clicking Go to load the historic month. And 3, you can add or edit community details including floor plans by clicking on the Color tab to the left of the community name. To view Adjust a Graph and the map, select the tools to the left just above the graph. Let's take a moment and discuss the database. A CBP is simply a community name. Every community has 3 components to its name. First the community name, then the builder name, and then a program that helps differentiate that particular product line to others that may be built in the same community. CBPs are never deleted from the database. CBPs can be linked to multiple C-sets, or one C-set or no C-set. The definition of a C-set is simply a group of CBPs, with the leader being your corporate or builder community. As you can see in the example diagram to the right, the circled CBPs are shared between C-sets, making the database extremely efficient and less work for you. Now you're ready to enter your community's information. Click on Manager Dashboard, Competitor Sets. The first thing you must do is drag the date navigation to the month that you want to begin entering data. Now you are ready to add competitor set to this hierarchy. Click on the second icon that looks like a house with a plus sign. Enter the name of your community. As you type, the tool will recognize and match to items already in the database. Click on the match to select or enter a new community name. Start typing the name of your builder, then select it from the list below. Click the Tab key. In the program box, enter SFD for single family detached or TH for townhome, or you can enter lot width to differentiate your product types. Enter your community's address. Scroll down to view the rest of the page. To verify you have entered the correct location, you can select satellite mode. Using the hand grab feature, click on the map and hold to reposition the map, aligning the crosshairs, the little plus sign in the center, over the specific location of your model home. Once you've positioned the crosshairs exactly where you want it, make sure you click Accurate Geocode. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to complete the attributes, the point of contact, and the school district, then click Submit. Enter your or your sales rep's contact information. Once you've finished, click the Submit button. Now it is time to enter your competitors. There are two ways to add competitors to your CSET. First, to link competitors to your CSET that are already in the database, and second, to add competitors to your CSET that are not currently in the database. If the competitor is already in the database, you want to link to that competitor. By linking the competitor to your CSET, all the data is automatically viewable in your CSET without you having to retype the information. From the Manager dashboard under Competitor Sets, click Add Competitor CBP. Click Find Competitor CBP button in the top left corner to find a competitor that's already in the database. The tool will automatically list all competitors based on distance from the community. Select the competitor's name from the list. Click Use this CBP. All data for the selected competitor is automatically loaded. Scroll to the bottom and click the Submit button. Now we're ready to learn how to add a competitor that does not exist in the database. Click Add Competitor CBP to add the next competitor. Using the form, enter the information for the competitor just like you did when you entered the information for your community. Make sure you click Accurate Geocode. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click the Submit button. Now you're ready to look at your CSET in the SC dashboard. Simply click View in SC dashboard. Now you're ready to enter the details, the floor plans, notes, adjustments, and incentives for each community. After clicking SC dashboard, click the Color tab to the left of the community name. Details are viewable in the folder that opens below the community. Click inside the Notes box to add important commentary about the community. Select the Add Floor Plan button in the bottom right of the box to add each floor plan to your community. Boxes will appear for you to enter the floor plan details. I recommend that you enter the floor plan name, the price, and the square footage so it shows up on the graph. However, everything else is up to you. Click the Save button next to Add Floor Plan when you're finished. You know that you saved the floor plan because it turns to a blue hyperlink. Additional floor plan details are available by clicking on the floor plan name. The additional floor plan attributes are shown here. You can set basement type as well as garage orientations 1 and 2. Click Update, then click Close to close the window. You can add as many floor plans as you want to each competitor. Just remember to click the Save button after entering your floor plans. The graph has a helpful mouse over feature. Mouse over any dot on the graph and you can see specifics about the floor plan. Now that you know how to add floor plans, now you're ready to add incentives and adjustments. Click Add under Incentives. Enter the name of your incentive, a description which is optional, and a value, either dollars or percent. Incentives by default do not automatically show on graph. Click Shown under Show on Adjusted Graph, then click Create Incentive. One final step, you must activate your incentive in order for it to show on the graph. Click Active and then Save Changes. After you've entered all your incentives, just click the Finish button. To add adjustments, click the Add button under Adjustments. Type in the name of your adjustment. As you type, the smart text will show you all text matches. Select the one you want, or type in a new one. Select the type of incentive, either offered by corporate and not by competitors, or offered by competitor and not by corporate. Then enter your dollar value. Select Create Adjustment. Just like incentives, you can add as many adjustments as you need. Adjustments can be applied to all floor plans or to selected ones. To select specific floor plans, simply uncheck All Floor Plans. Make sure you select the right type of adjustment, either offered by corporate and not by competitors, or in this case, offered by competitor and not by corporate. Now select the floor plans you would like to apply this adjustment to. Enter the value of the adjustment. Click Create Adjustment. Select Close. Congratulations, you have entered your first month's competitive data. Now you are ready to copy forward your CSET. Remember, you entered data into a historic month, so the copy forward process allows me to move that CSET into a sequential month without you having to type in that information over and over again. Let's assume your first historic month was April. You've entered your CSET data with all your data as well as your competitors and all the floor plan data. Now you're going to email me to copy it forward. I'm going to copy it forward to May. You're going to edit that floor plan data, make any pricing changes, etc. Then you're going to email me again to copy it forward to June. Once you are caught up to the current month, the copy forward process will automatically occur at month end. The email that you need to send to me, in the subject, put Copy Forward. In the body, include your division code, your community name, and the month you would like copied forward. This concludes our training. For any questions, please email me at lisa.suarez@n2insights.com. Thank you so much for participating.